Morning, we're here today at Courtfield School. Can't wait to get started with a group of Year 9s and Year 10s to talk about violence against women and girls. We've got a couple of assemblies lined up and we've got a few workshops as well.
This winter, Collaborate Digital's classroom collaborators were back on the road across Somerset and North Somerset as part of the ongoing Safer Streets campaign, starting a conversation about behaviour change. The public health approach to the issue of violence against women and girls saw students in the region's high schools and colleges engaging with the topic, learning essential facts and figures, taking part in interactive assemblies, and producing podcasts as part of a series of creative media workshops. We heard the concerns of girls and young women about the harassment they've experienced.
I was sat on the bus and a boy touched my thigh.
And we've given a positive message to young men and boys on how they can be an ally to the women and girls in their lives.
I think it's good for people my age to realise what they're doing and think before they speak.
So I thought it was important for me to stand up and be against all this, which is quite important because not doing it is not good enough. You need to be against that.
We're at Witston School today.
Today we are at Robert Blake School in Bridgewater.
It's Rick here outside the Ansford Academy.
Hi, I'm Fionn and today we're here at Holyrood.
I'm here today to work with the students here at Richard Huish College in Taunton.
We're at St Dunstan's. I love this school.
It's Liz here. I'm at Bridgewater and Taunton College.
We're in Weston-super-Mare, we're at the Priory.
It's a beautiful morning in Minehead and we're here to work with the students at West Somerset College.
So the start's really good. It's just coming up to 4:30. Did you know that 4:30 is the time of most assaults? I think that's brilliant.
Think about your colleagues, your friends, the females you know, and try and think of it from their point of view.
Project your voice a little bit, so a little bit louder,
Okay.
like you're on the stage of the school play and you're trying to make the person at the back hear you, yeah?
Got it. It can stop if we change it together.
That's brilliant.
Unwanted attention isn't needed. Safe streets, we haven't succeeded. Sexual comments on the way to school. Why do you do it?
Stop it, you fool. I really liked today's workshop and I feel more people should be able to hear this and have this knowledge.
It was brilliant. Everyone was so engaged. It was such a positive environment.
I really enjoyed the fact that we got to spread the message about something that affects so many people in this world.
I liked the freedom we got and how we chose the best way to get our message across.
It's been brilliant. It's been really, really good. It's so great to have somebody in talking to the students about violence against women and girls and raising awareness.
They were engaged in the activities. The voting system worked tremendously well. I think it was nice to get them up out of their chair and make them feel like they were having that interactive contribution to the assembly.
I don't think it's a conversation that they talk about, so just the fact that they're talking about it is fantastic.
I think it was amazing. I think it was a powerful experience for our Year 8s and 9s.
The students who'd sat in the earlier sessions were talking about it as they walked up the corridor, saying that it had been helpful, that it was interesting.
And it's really nice and refreshing to see that we are tackling the issue, which unfortunately in this situation is men and the focus being there, and our young people taking that on so well.
Yeah, having somebody else come in who's got the knowledge and the expertise to actually talk about it in a really sensitive but really impactful way is brilliant.
There was a lot of our students were challenged on some of their views as well, and I think it was it's definitely something we're going to follow up on, so I think it was brilliant.
They've also been exceptionally creative, especially with the Year 9 workshops, and putting their creativity from the content into podcasts, interviews, raps.
They are an amazing company with an amazing project that really needs everyone's backing. So crucial. The students get incredibly engaged. They love making the podcast.
And I would 100% recommend it to other schools in the local area.